Welcome to University of Latvia Open Lab, the prototyping and engineering center at the House of Science. Here, you can turn your ideas into real working prototypes using a wide range of tools and equipment. In our 3D prototyping lab, you can use FDM printers, open or enclosed, to quickly create durable plastic parts straight from your digital designs. We also have SLA and DLP 3D printers perfect for highly detailed or precise models. Want to capture real-world objects or reverse engineer parts? Use our 3D scanners. In the mechanical workshop, you can work with a variety of tools. Use our manual milling machines for precise cuts and shapes. Shape metal and other materials with our lathes, bandsaws, table saws, and grinding machines. We also have a spot welding station for joining metal components and a full electronics workstation for building and testing circuits. And of course, we provide a complete set of hand tools so you can work on small adjustments or assemble prototypes by hand. From digital design to finished prototype, our lab supports your full development process. Test ideas, iterate quickly, and refine your concepts using our wide range of machines and tools. All of this right here at the House of Science is ready for you to explore, create, and prototype your ideas. Come and see what you can build at University of Latvia Open Lab.